Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial we'll be discussing about how to handle categorical data in Python. We'll be discussing all the concepts about handling categorical data in Python. Guys, before going further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification bell. I'll be the first to be notified when I upload new coding videos. Okay, without further ado, let's go. Categorical data are certain information that be aggregated into groups. They are not in their numeric format. If you ever tried putting your model with this categorical data, you will always get an error because your machine learning algorithm only accepts data in numeric format. Okay, the first step which we are about to be going over, we're going to be importing pandas as PD. So we're going to import cbon as externals. Let's import it now. Then we're going to get our data, call this data frame df. We're going to reload a data set from our cbon library. Titanic data set, Titanic. Memories now, and let me check the head of our data frame. Head of our data frame. Is okay. Here's the head of our data frame. We have different categorical data here. We have the sales column, the embarked column, the class, the who, adult male, and deck, embarked down, and many more. Okay, let's say we want to handle this categorical data. The method which we are going to be using for this handling of categorical data is the one-hot encoding method. The method is really easy. What we are going to simply be using, going to be using the pandas.getDummies to help us make this process quicker and faster. We're going to store this our encoded data in data frame 1. We're going to build a new data frame called data frame 1. Notice pd dot we call get dummies. Then it accepts two major parameters, which is your data. Our data here is df, our data frame. Then the column which you want to one-hot encode. You want to one-hot encode which column? Let's one-hot encode the whole column. Okay, the whole column. Okay, let me run this now and let me call my data frame 1. Let us see what happened now. You can see here our data frame, which was the categorical data before, man, woman, child, has now been converted into a different column, which is one per category, the who child column, the man and the woman. What this one-hot encoding method simply do is that it creates a column for each of your category and assign a 1 or a 0 in places where those categories are either present or absent. Like in this our first way, you can see here that our first row, the first this thing is man, so we have a 1 here. The second one is woman, so we have a 1 here too. The third one is woman, also we also have a 1 here, and so on. But the place in which it isn't present, it's going to be equated to 0. Okay, let's also learn how to encode multiple columns. To encode multiple columns, let's save this in data frame 2. I'm going to call our pd.get dummies. Yeah, I'm going to call our partner parameter, our df. Always holds our df1 now. Then also we're going to call what's that again? Our column. Let's have to encode multiple column. Then let's call this alive. Because it's alive, that they are alive or not, and let's also call the sex. I think it's sex column. Yes, it's sex column. Let me also call the sex column. Let me run this now and let me call my data frame 2. Frame 2.8. The one is, you can see here I've encoded label encode multiple columns. So that's how you encode multiple column in your using your pandas.getDummies. But there is something you must always also understand about this one-hot encoding method. This one-hot encoding method always leads to dimensionality cost. Okay, it always leads to a dimensionality cost, which is really good for your machine learning algorithm. Okay, let me show you what I'm trying to see. Let me see. I want to let me put my original data again. Let's see, this is my original data of before, and let me say I want to encode this my what's called this is my deck code. Okay, I want to as usual, I'm going to call it so in data. I'm going to say pd dot get dummies. So usual I set my data to be data frame, then I set my column to in. Now should be a list to be deck. When I want this, or set what am I doing? I set this to be. Let me want this again now. Yeah, let me come my data frame too. Let's see what the dimensionality cost is. When I want this now, you can see here now I now have one column for each of my categories. You just imagine now that I have a total of about maybe 300 categories. Meaning we have to have something like a data frame of shape 891 by 300 column, which isn't that nice for your data frame for your machine learning algorithm, because it will take longer time to fit and also cause overfitting of your data set. Okay, so that's where under the method of handling categorical data come into play, called the label encoded method. I've already taught that already. I will place a link in the description below, so you go check it out. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I'll be uploading new videos on a regular basis. Okay guys, thanks for watching.